What's happening, you lot? Welcome back to the channel. We're playing LEGO The Hobbit again today. Done a bit of research. I believe that we need to head over to Dol Guldur and pick up the one and only mighty Sauron. Dol Guldur down there. Here he is, Sauron. The reason why we need Sauron is because of that those black areas that you can't get into with normal characters, I believe. Well, he's the biggest and the baddest, so he's got to be the one to do it. So we're going to head over and we're going to buy Sauron, just in case we come across them, and then we can actually just do them. Might as well get that done. Another thing we're going to be looking at doing today is acquiring the Firework Mithril Bow. With that, I believe you can equip it to characters like Legolas, whoever's using a bow or whatever. You might be able to equip it to anybody. But I think with those, you can blow up those shiny silver objects that we've not been able to destroy so far. So hopefully with that we can do that, and then we'll go from there. Like, look at these black things here, like no one can do them that I've got at the moment, so hopefully with Sauron. 70,000, well worth it. Okay then. Take that menu down, please. Right, okay. We'll use Sauron straight away. See what's popping with these. Oh look, we're not scared now, we can actually break them. Sauron's pretty cool. Yeah, Sauron versus Sauron, let's do it. Come on, do something. Okay, then we've got him. So now we can do those black things, and we're all Gucci. But I think what we need to do is, we need to head over back to where the last quest was at Erebor. Because I believe if you watch that episode of Inside Information, that episode, a couple of episodes past, we come across a schematic, and I believe from research that's the firework mithril bow that we need. So we need to go back into free play and get that schematic. I believe it's this stage. We definitely need Bilbo, so we'll just pick Bilbo. We get Sauron anyway, buzzing.
The company passed into the mountain through the secret door. Their goal, finally.
We'll skip that, we've been here and done that. Oh, hang on a minute. I think we've gone too far. Or have we? Don't quite remember now, actually. I don't think this is the right area. Might have gone too far. Yeah, I think we might have gone too far. Let's just go back. Exit level. Okay. We'll try again. I think, remembering correctly, it was the stage before. Yeah, we need to. Oh, what an idiot! Yeah, it's literally there. It tells you. What an idiot. We've got Bilbo secured. Right, we're here. It's there on the table, you see it? It's over there. But why can't I pop the ring on? Not that. There we go. There we go. We popped the ring on. There we go. We've got the schematic, I believe. That should be the one we want. Take ring off. Now, can I leave? Can I leave this? Save and exit, yes. Oh, okay then. We don't even need to go back into the, we don't even need to do the whole quest again. I think we just got the schematic and dipped. That's fine. Yeah, obviously we didn't do that. We weren't there 2 minutes. We got it. Yeah, that's the one we wanted. What we're going to do is quit to Middle Earth. And what we'll do is we'll head over to the blacksmith and see if we can get that polished off right here, right now. So, head to Bree, this way. We want to go to the blacksmith. Get an Eagle taxi, why not? Hopefully I've got everything I need to actually build it. But I'm assuming so. I have been saving up, I haven't built anything else, so... And we've landed. Get that blue. Okay then. Head into the blacksmiths. Give us that blue.
As long as you've got a hot oven and the right ingredients.
Let me in. Come on. I have, pal, that's what we're here for. 12 mithril bricks, 20 gems, 30 rope, 20 fish, and 20 silver, which is dead on what I have.
Pick me!
Let's do it.
Pick me!
Quiet, you cheeky designs.
Okay.
Careful with the furnace, eh? I'm not insured.
Nice.
That's a thing of beauty, that is.
Mithril Firework Bow. Okay then. Can I equip that, or does it have to be a bow wielding maniac? Makes sense for it to be that, but let's see if I can. Oh, Bilbo can use it. Anyone can use it then, don't even need to be a bow wielding maniac. So I don't know where I can test this, to be fair, but whenever I come across it we can, and that's what we was aiming for. What's this? We've opened the gate. Well then, mithril brick up there. Does seem some ways to get it, like, I'm assuming you gotta go all the way up here. Somehow. Can I shoot this owl? Just took its head for a spin. Maybe I need to be someone with a bit more agility. Where's the main G? Here he is. Yeah, he walks on it, you see. Yes. What I told you, he's agile. Nice. Well, we'll take it. See how Legolas looks with this new bow. Nice. Hopefully it does do what I think it would do and smash those silver things, but I guess I won't know until I come across it now, so I think that's where we'll leave this episode. If you did like it, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more LEGO content in the future, and I'll see you in the next one.